Hello friends, welcome to another vlog of Trip Road YouTube channel. Today we are at Bangalore Fort, which is also known as Tipu's Fort. It is at KR Market, Bangalore. Here are some historical facts about the fort. Kempe Gowda I constructed the mud fort, but it was during the time of Hyder Ali. Later the present stone fort was built by Hyder Ali in 1716. Bangalore Fort was captured by British when it was under the rule of Tipu Sultan. Bangalore Fort was a vast fort with a large coverage area, but currently there is nothing much of it remains. Only the Delhi Gate and a portion of the ramp can be seen at KR Market area in Bangalore. Earlier Tipu Sultan's summer palace was a part of the Bangalore Fort. Now it looks as a separate entity as fort is developed. It's a calm, beautiful and well-maintained fort in Bangalore. So I recommend if you get a chance to visit KR Market, it is just a 5-minute walk. The opening timings, entry fees, camera charges and other details are mentioned in the description. Even though the fort is small, it has a large picture square garden. I feel it's a good place for photography. A curious thing used to happen while constructing the southern gate of the fort. Every time when they built the entrance, it used to fall off immediately. So someone has suggested a human sacrifice, but Kempe Gowda was against it. His daughter-in-law is said to have given a self-sacrifice by cutting off her head near the southern entrance. Finally, they completed the construction of the fort. So Kempe Gowda built a temple in memory of her in Karnataka. If you guys enjoy the video, please do like, share, subscribe and bell. See you with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.